Hello, everyone. My name is Paul, and welcome to Paul's Railroad. Follow along with me as I create my model railroad from its very beginnings, starting with preparing the space, building the benchwork, and designing the layout, all the way through to the finished railroad. Well, finished to a point anyhow. As they say, no model railroad is ever truly finished. Now, I'm going to be doing things a little differently than most model railroaders. Like many of us, I do not have unlimited funds for this hobby. And as we all know, this hobby can become very expensive very quickly. So I'm going to have to think outside the box and become very creative to build what I hope turns out to be a great looking model railroad as inexpensively as possible. I'll be doing this by relying heavily on my knowledge of 3D modeling and utilizing my 3D printer to print structures and hopefully most of the other items that I would otherwise have to purchase for my model railroad. I will even be designing and printing some rolling stock for this railroad. Now, everything that I'm doing is modeling in N scale, but I'm sure that everything can translate to HO, O, even G scale if you'd like. So follow along with me and we will go through how I take a freshly printed 3D model, whether it be a structure or a piece of rolling stock. We will go over my painting techniques, my weathering techniques, and even how I light my buildings. I'm even going to be trying to learn how to light rolling stock using micro LEDs and track power. Haven't quite got that figured out yet, but we're going to get there. So follow along with me on this adventure. Hit those like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to tap that bell icon if you'd like notifications of future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Paul's Railroad.